are you still in motion?
No, Your Honor.
All right. This is case number 154483201, the People versus Beverly Town. Ms. Townsend, can you come into screen? You want to be seated. I told you to stand up.
No, you did.
Oh.
Just told him to come to the table.
This is case number 154483201, the People versus Beverly Townsend. The defendant is charged with false unemployment, and today is a date set by the magistrate for review. Appearance, please, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. If it may please this most honorable court, Chester Jeanette, PA 3295, representing Ms. Beverly Townsend, who's present and consents to this hearing via Zoom. Ms. Townsend, will you please unmute your device and state your name for the record?
Please unmute your device, ma'am.
Okay, Beverly Townsend.
What? Today they set for a review set by the magistrate's court. Has had an opportunity to review the file. Ms. Townsend has been CAFIA since 2016, at which time the probation department submitted an order to Judge Bryant indicating that Ms. Townsend had failed to complete any of the terms and conditions of her probation. Mr. James?
Yes, I was recently retained by Ms. Townsend. I think she misunderstood the terms when she made an agreement with unemployment to pay back the amount that was owed back to the unemployment department. Then I think a couple of years passed by during the pandemic, and she got pulled. I'm sorry, and she got my apologies. Yes, and she got pulled over on a traffic stop and found out she had a warrant out of 30th District Court for arrest. Then she retained me to go research and find out what she had going on. And once we found out she had a warrant for this outstanding matter, I walked her in and we went before the magistrate. And we're before you today, Judge. I tried to reach out to the city attorney, but I couldn't find which one because on the register of actions, it doesn't even pull up the case.
Well, I don't know why it doesn't pull up the case for you, because it does definitely pull up the case for us. And it wouldn't be a city attorney. It would be the Attorney General's office. Then you said your client misunderstood, and what I'm looking at in the file is her signature on her probation order. That's real clear, and that she was on probation for a year, that she had to pay she had to pay $8,595 to the MESC, that was the name of it at the time, and then she also was ordered to pay $450. This order is light because it's real old. And she was supposed to have she was supposed to pay her court costs by August 28th, 2000. Ma'am, put your water down. We in court like we're literally doing your case. I'm like literally on your case. Okay, so let's use our imagination. We're in court. We're at the podium. There's a podium in front of me. That's where you're standing with your lawyer. So let's do that. Okay. And so she didn't do any of that. So did she pay unemployment directly? Because you can't be confused.
Yes, Your Honor. That's what happened. She called unemployment and worked out a payment plan with unemployment and started paying unemployment directly. Then when she fell behind on some of those payments during the pandemic, they took money from her taxes and I think through more so of a garnishment phase. A garnishment status. And now when we reach out to unemployment to find out how much of the debt is truly owed or what's her balance of the debt, they said it was on a freeze since 2022. So
what about the $450 she was supposed to pay to the court that she didn't pay?
I have no direct answer for that, Your Honor, but I'm sure Ms. Townsend will have no problem paying the court what she owes them.
Oh, this planning, actually, this says 0. When did she make these payments? Because this is for. When did she
Well,
make
the balance is $452, you said, Your Honor?
No, hold on, Mr. Flanagan is looking it up, because now that I look at the register, it says the balance is 0.
Yes.
Okay. For the $450? Okay. All right, so maybe what happened is that she failed to appear for her final review. So it does look like in terms of the $450, she has a 0 balance. And then, the judge's order at the time was for her to pay directly to the unemployment, to the $8,595. So at this time, the court is gonna close the matter out. Anything further?
Nothing further, Your Honor. We appreciate you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a great day. Stay
Have a
safe.
wonderful day to you and your staff. You can leave, Ms. Townsend.
All right, I'm ready on. Franklin, the defendant is charged with Monisha Nasha is the middle name, Franklin. Somebody help me. Somebody tell me what's going on.
We were assigned here for observation with kids from Southeastern High School.
Who assigned you?
I just got the list. This is Lost Career Day.
Okay, well, maybe, I mean, okay, that's the administration. Yeah, did I do that? Okay. All right, that's fine. And the defendant is charged with assault or assault battery. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
May it please the court, Abdullah Mugni here on behalf of Monisha Franklin, who appears today via Zoom. Monisha, could you please say your full name for the record?
Hello, my name is Monisha Nashay Franklin.
All right, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, today we're going to move for a dismissal based on the complaining witness's failure to appear.
Ms. Ritter?
Your Honor, I don't see the complaint witness, Mrs. Terry Turner, in the waiting room. However, Your Honor, it is scheduled as a first-time pretrial conference, respectfully asking the court to adjourn the pretrial conference or set a final pretrial conference requiring the complaining witness to be present.
Court is going to deny defense counsel's motion for dismissal, grant the people's request, and adjourn the pretrial conference to May 23rd. At 1:36, the complaining witness is required to appear. Failure of the witness to appear will most likely result in the matter being dismissed unless the people have a valid explanation as to why the complainant could not appear or should not be required to appear. Bond will continue with no contact with the complaining witness. Anything further?
That was May 23rd, Your Honor.
May 23rd, 1:36. That's the date for the day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a
Thanks, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Franklin, you're all set. Have a great day. Stay safe.
Yes, sir. Thank you.